Hello, I'm back. So, got a new camera, filming in 4K. Also got a microphone, so I can actually do some real-time audio instead of me doing crappy overlays or voiceovers. So have you seen this show called Scrubs? It's kind of old. I love that show. I've seen it probably 4 or 5 times, and it's especially one character. I know everybody loves JD and Turk, but the janitor is kind of, I guess it's a lot of people's favorite. But he has this one thing. He has this clip. I'm gonna show it maybe here.
How the hell am I supposed to cry?
You need to cry. Let's brainstorm. I could hit you over the head with a wrench. Or I could stab you in the gut with the knife. Knife wrench! Practical and safe. Whoa!
So as you saw in the clip, he has a knife wrench. I haven't seen anyone do or try making this before, so that's why I think it's kind of interesting. So I got this old crap little wrench. I think it's one you get from IKEA or something. And I found this loose knife blade. So I'm gonna see if I can fuse these together. Cut this off. Make a little slot for this. Give it a scrub down and scrub, polish, all that good stuff. So what do you think? Let's make a knife wrench for kids. Ow. Well, that didn't really help. Just made things worse. This didn't turn out great. Technically, it is a knife wrench. I mean, it has a knife. Oh, sorry. It has a knife, it has a wrench, and they are connected. However, I don't know if you can see that. I need to figure out this camera, how it works. But the weld is horrible. So if anyone has any tips on how to do welding, specifically MIG welding, with one of those flux core wires coming out of the thingamajig, please let me know in the comments below, because apparently I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, then again, I mean, it's the name of the channel, right? Trying to build stuff, not actually succeeding in building stuff. I would say that's... Let's see if I can zoom a little. Nope. Can you see this? Focus you. As you can see, the well is pretty horrible. Actually, it looks like but it is a knife wrench.
Ow! He's the one that needs to cry, you idiot, not me! Ow!
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that crying stuff. I was just... Oh, hey, loose thread.
No!
Got it. Knife wrench for kids.